everyone, welcome back to another amazing lab of arcade games. And we will be doing the first lab of week 4 trivia of January, week 4. Oops, I said it two times. Alright, then we will be starting the lab here and we will be opening it in the incognito window. After that, something like this will open up and you have to click I understand. This will be just a welcome to new account or something. Now, you have to click on I agree and continue. Alright, so we have done all the prerequisites. Now, you have to come here and activate Cloud Shell. Alright, first activate Cloud Shell and then you have to run this command. So first we will come here and activate the Cloud Shell. In the process of activating Cloud Shell, we also have to continue and then authorize the Cloud Shell terminal to run. The Cloud Shell terminal is now live, so now we have to just copy this command and then run here. And the command is executed successfully. It was a command to copy the files from Google Cloud Storage to your local directory. So now we will change the directory. After this, we'll come to the task 2 and we will deploy the app. Now, as for this, you will be given US East 1. All right. For my case, it is US East 1. For your case, it could be something else. So keep an eye on that. US East 1, Y. All right. So here US East 1 is at 3. So I will select 3 and then it will just start creating it. After this, you have to select Y. Now we will wait for it to completely execute itself. Now, uh, now we will be using the gcloud app browse. However, after this command is complete, this check my progress is also complete. Let's wait for it. All we can do at this time is just wait for it.